In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer iPhone 12 to iPhone 14 or 14 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your contacts, your apps, and all of your data from your old iPhone to a new one. This process will work regardless of the model. I'm going to be talking specifically about the iPhone 12 to an iPhone 14, but you can follow along with any other model number that you have. So this is going to be primarily done through the hello screen. This screen pops up when you first power on any new iPhone. If you have already gone through the hello setup screen, then you have to go over to the settings, choose this option all the way down at the bottom, transfer or reset iPhone, and then erase all the content and settings. This will allow you to go through this setup process again, and it's important for the method in this video. The reason why you want to go through the hello screen again is because you have to use Quick Start. So Quick Start will make this process extremely simple, and afterwards you can use iCloud to receive your photos, documents, videos, and so on. Quick Start will make it so as long as you have both iPhones in close proximity of each other and they are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, they will automatically exchange the data, and all that you have to do is choose the option to continue when you see this pop up, set up new iPhone. If you don't see this, make sure that you perform a software update on the new iPhone model that you are going to be transferring into. So just proceed through the hello screen, go into a network, perform the software update, and usually on the old iPhone you will see this message, set up new iPhone. You just tap continue and let the process finish automatically. Afterwards, if you have additional data that you would like to transfer over, this will be done using the iCloud service. Usually, during setup, you will see this option to transfer your apps and data from an iCloud backup, and this is going to be useful if you made a backup prior to starting all of this. All that you have to do is sign in with your ID and choose the option to restore from iCloud. Once again, you just wait and the process will finish. You have additional options such as transferring from another iPhone, so your old one, from a Mac or PC, or from an Android device. And by doing this, you will be able to receive your existing applications, information, photos, notes, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer iPhone 12 to iPhone 14 or iPhone 14 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.